Hi, I'm Dr. John Raboon, a principal research scientist in Amway's Biological Testing Laboratory. At Amway, we are always looking for future, innovative inspiration. In 2014, Amway scientists partnered with Dr. Gary Fisher of the University of Michigan to discover ways to protect the health of skin against the damaging effects of the sun, pollution, and other skin aging stressors, and also to rebuild and improve skin's healthy look. We started by evaluating over 250 plants from around the world, including plants from our own Nutrilite organic farms. These ingredients were first screened in our Amway labs for their ability to improve skin aging defenses and their repair mechanisms. We focused on ingredients that could improve the antioxidant defense mechanisms within the skin, soothe irritation, and decrease stress, and help rebuild the extracellular matrix, the major support network that provides the skin with its firmness and elasticity. From this initial work, the top performers were then tested at the University of Michigan using their exclusive stress skin cell model, using human skin cells to determine which ingredients work best to prevent damage and which ones work better to repair damage and improve the healthy look of skin. After determining the highest performing ingredients, we tested them in combination and discovered they had powerful synergies. The key plants in the Prevent complex include Nutrilite-grown acerola cherry, Australian daisy, which is a traditional Australian medicinal plant, and blackberry. The key plants in the Repair complex include Nutrilite-grown spinach, turmeric, and tea olive flower. The plants in each complex work well alone, but they work best together. You can find these complexes in our Artistry Skin Nutrition Moisturizers, the latest scientific understanding of skin aging and skin health from Amway and the University of Michigan to create significant, visible effects for beautiful, healthy-looking skin. I hope you learned something new. See you next time.